Hello, I'm Rusk Hansen. I invented the music sharing app, Music Snatch. Now I have more money than Abu Dhabi. I'm going to change the world with cutting-edge inventions like this nanotech hat. It 3D prints itself based upon my emotions. Now I'm serious, but what if I were whimsical? My latest invention is the Super Hyper Train. It will transport human beings from Los Angeles to Bakersfield in 8 minutes. Imagine that. To cut costs, I built it without a roof. I'm also working with my engineers on a supersonic tube cannon to transport humans without the need of expensive train tracks or stations. It works like this vacuum hose. It's amazing what creative money investments can yield.